And Tim starts the crossing of the Clear Creek Rapids. Rope firmly in hand, balancing on slippery rock, he fords the great creek to achieve his destination, the climbing area on the other side. There's two big slippery rocks that he's walking across right now, and as you can see, the rapids are quite impressive. He's fighting it with all he's got, stepping on to the second crux move, getting that balance point. I did it barefoot and did a toe hook facing the other way, but Tim's fording it straight forward back to the rapids, looking where he's going, not where he's been.
Yeah, probably another 2 weeks and we'll start to do all that.
2 more weeks. There's the deep spot. He's almost home free now, folks. This is it, just this last little deep spot with the advantage of the rope. And it looks like our friend, Mr. Simpson, is home free.